The first case of coronavirus in Nebraska is being treated at Nebraska Med. The woman under medical attention came into contact with multiple people before going to the ER. Sydney Gray explains that decision is now an issue across the area.
We're Nebraskans. People are going to do the right thing.
Governor Pete Ricketts is urging social distancing after an Omaha woman tested positive for COVID-19.
I want to emphasize again to everybody that we want people to take this seriously, that if you're sick, stay home.
The woman came back to Omaha last week after being in London.
What we learn from the history is, where has this person been? How long has she been there? And then what we are looking at, what are high-risk places that potentially could identify individuals that were in close contact for longer periods of time.
Saturday, February 29th, she played in a basketball game in Fremont at the YMCA. Officials say the woman originally went to the ER because she thought she had a concussion from playing in that game. They're also asking those who played in the game to voluntarily quarantine themselves.
We've been thrown a very challenging situation with this first case that's been reported here in Nebraska. And the challenge is that that individual is mixed in a lot of social circumstances where there's a challenge of identifying everybody who's been exposed.
The woman also attended a dinner at VFW Post 2503 off 89th and Military on March 4th, prior to coming to Methodist Hospital on March 5th. According to the health department, people who attended the dinner have low risk of exposure, but they're still asking those people to monitor their health until March 18th.
And this is really going to make a big difference in how the virus spreads. It actually matters. So that's why we want people to take this seriously.
The health department says the woman does suffer from other health conditions and that she lives alone in an Omaha apartment complex, but visits family in town often. Her father is now showing symptoms of coronavirus. Health officials say they told her family to self-quarantine.
I think it's important to reassure our citizens in Omaha and across Nebraska too. There is a huge emotional impact of our citizen as we learn more about this virus, that there's a lot of unknowns still out there.
Despite there being no vaccine yet, Mayor Jean Stothert says Nebraskans are in good hands.
I don't think there is a better place in the entire country than Omaha, Nebraska, because of the trained medical professionals we have here, the expertise, the facilities that we have here.
In Omaha, Sydney Gray, 3 News Now.
And the YMCA where the game took place is closed and is undergoing a deep cleaning. According to a post on the facility's Facebook page, it will reopen Monday.